Alright, well hello ladies and gents, here we are once again, and today this is probably one of the more interesting builds I've tried so far, and because I'm pretty much just out of rebar right now, so I was thinking, well, what else do I possibly have that I could, turn into a forge? But I realized, well, or turn into knives. And I realized, well, I have, of course, many pairs of pliers, and many of them were very cheap, so I just kind of took the bolt out, as you saw, or the nut out, and turned both of these into knives. And interestingly enough, the metal in these pliers is probably a little bit higher quality than the metal in the rebar, because I was much more able to, make them much sharper. Although, because of their shape, it makes it kind of difficult to lodge them in and stick them into a piece of paper and demonstrate how sharp they are because of this. But I kind of made them to be utility knives that might be useful for hunting or skinning or sharpening a stick or something like that, which is very easy for them to do, or it's very easy to use them for that because of their shape. I kind of off screen, I did skin some sticks and point them, and they performed very well there, and I'm actually pretty proud of these. In terms of what projects are next, I can't really say for sure because I've kind of run out of metal. I was able to acquire some dead guy's things because he was dead, and his son was auctioning off selling off all his stuff, and I was able to get another kind of like a 2-pound crossbeam hammer, and I was also able to get a very large sledgehammer, which I have turned into an anvil. So whatever I make next, hopefully it'll be a little bit better. And if I do make if the next video I make might just actually be showcasing the new anvil very briefly. But whatever it is, until then, this is Mr. Anomalous signing off.